there was Lord Brahma, who was having so much of ego and pride in whatever actions he used to do. And that when Lord Shiva used to maintain a lot of calm and meditation through his sadhana. And ego and pride of Lord Brahma was overpowering and losing balance and justice in the world. That's when Lord Shiva meditated and formed a fierce avatar of Kal Bhairava. Such a fearful avatar that everybody, whoever looks at him, was getting scared. And his avatar was in such a way that if you look at him, he used to have red eyes, blue or just black body, and he used to have the skulls on as a mala, as well as he used to have a nice haunting loyal dog with him, right? And that was the fierce avatar what he used to carry. And he was not a bad person though, but he used his anger to calm down and to get the balance in the world and get the justice in the world. Kala Bhairava, what he did is, he, with his rage and power, he beheaded the one of the head of Lord Brahma, and that's the fifth head of Lord Brahma, I guess. So, and after he hit that fifth head, he carried his skull in his hand and walked all throughout that. And in that anger, he felt that he did wrong, and he kept roaming around the world and settled at the place in Varanasi. And after that, Lord Shiva blessed him, stating that you are the protector of all the temples and you will protect this Kashi Varanasi. And after that, people believe that nobody will enter Kashi Varanasi without his permission nor exit from there. So that is what is the story of Kala Bhairava. Also, a lot of deities believe in him, that he will remove the fear in any person, or if they are facing any kind of difficulties in life. So today is Ashtami, and today we are going to Kala Bhairava temple. How it happened for me, just like all other Instagrammers, I just came through a reel and I happened to go there. I've never been there. I've been there last week, and I was invited by a priest today because I don't know what's important today. And then he told me that today is Ashtami and 28th of November you have to come and visit and have the blessings of Lord Kala Bhairava, and then you see a lot of changes in your life. So definitely just praying through all soul and heart through him, definitely not expecting way beyond should be a huge graph in my life, but as a part of devotion I'm trying to visit him. And let's have a good day and keep following throughout the video and see what the today's event will be there. Okay. What a difficult off-roading we are doing right now. Kala Bhairava temple near the Fox Sagar Lake. All the lightings I could see, it's visible, but to reach here it was very difficult. Another car is following us in the back, then I'm feeling safe. But yeah, now we are making it to the temple. Pause. Okay, look at the lighting. Wow. Perfect. And it is looking very grand preparation. All the VVIPs are coming now. I could see a lot of cars and the bikes which have already been there.
అయిపోయిందా? మధ్యాహ్నం భోజనం పని కాదు, భోజనం బియ్యం కాలేదు, ఒక 100 రూపాయలు కావాలి ఇస్తారా లేదా? అట్లనే మనం కూడా స్వామివారికి న్యాయబద్ధమైన అడుగుదాము, సరేనా? శ్రద్ధగా చేద్దాము, ఎవరికి పక్కన డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా భగవంతుని ఆరాధన చేసుకుంటూ మనం మొదలు పెడదాం, సరేనా? ఈ 3 రోజుల కార్యక్రమం 2 రోజులు ఎటువంటి ఇబ్బందులు జరగలేదు, ఈ రోజు కూడా జరగకుండా విజయవంతం అభిషేక సహిత ఏకాదశ ఫలాభిషేక సహిత విశేష హరిద్ర కుంకుమ గంధమ భస్మ సుగంధ ద్రవ్య జలాభిషేక మహంకరీశ్వరికి ముందు చెప్పేసుకోండి. అభిషేకంజ మహంకరిష్యే జయ జయ శంకర చెప్పేసి జయ జయ శంకర హర హర శంకర ఇదే మనసులో భావించండి. తర్వాత ఓం భం భైరవాయ నమః ఈ 2 స్మరణలు స్మరించండి. ఎటువంటివి బయట ఆలోచనలు వదిలేసేయండి, సరేనా? ఆఫీస్కి ఒక అర్థం లేట్
भास्वरं भवातिकारकं परं नीलकण्ठमिश्चितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं प्रादिनाथकालभैरवं भजे शूलपाशदं पाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयं भीम विग्रहं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे मुक्तिदायकं शस्त्रचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थिरं समस्तलोकविग्रहं निर्मलन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीलसत्कृतिं काशिकापुरादिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे